Today I will demonstrate for you how to do a slip knot. The slip knot is the beginning to any knitting project. The first thing you need to do is take your yarn so that you have a tail to the right and your working yarn on your left. The working yarn is the yarn that is attached to your ball of yarn. Take your tail, cross it over your working yarn so that it forms a loop. Take your working yarn, pinch up a loop, and put it through the loop that you just created, holding it secure and pulling on your tail. This creates a loop that is adjustable. If you pull it enough, it will actually come apart. I will demonstrate one more time. Hold your tail to your right and your working yarn on your left. Cross your tail over your working yarn. Pinch up a loop from your working yarn, holding secure, pulling it so that it's tight on there. Next step is to take your needle, put it through the loop, and adjust it so that it's snug on the needle but loose enough to move around. And there is your first step to your first knitting project.